Hey everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter G. So let's start first by writing my name at the top. Jeremy. That's my first name. Okay. G is a plain line letter. It starts on the plain line just like a C. So let's point to the plain line, trace back on the plain line, curve around all the way back to the grass line, back to the plain line. Now we go down all the way back down to the worm line. Okay, so it curves down to the worm line and makes a curve. Okay, so let's switch to blue and let's trace some of these letters. Okay, start the plain line, curve around and back up to the plain line, down past the grass line, down to the worm line, make a curve. Okay, plain line, curve around, down to the grass line, back to the plain line, curve straight down and curve at the worm line. Okay, curve around, back to the plain line, down to the worm line. Curve around, back to the plain line, down to the worm line. Curve around, back to the plain line, down past the grass line, and to the worm line, make a little curve. Okay, let's go red again. Plain line, curve back to the grass line, go back to the plain line, then go down to the worm line. Plain line, grass line, plain line again, straight down to the worm line and curve. Plain line, grass line, back to the plain line, straight down to the worm line and a curve. That is how you practice making the lowercase letter G. Thanks for practicing.